Then we're going to take two things, dew point temperature and air temperature. So two things that have nothing to do with precipitation, and from that, we're going to be able to predict where we should expect on this weather map to see rain. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show the current dew point map, and then I'm going to show the current temperature, or the current air temperature map. So what I'm going to do is go back and forth for about 30 seconds here, and I want you to see where are the numbers the closest. Where do you see the difference between the dew point temperature for a given location and the air temperature? Where do you see that being quite small or nearly the same? That would be a good indicator of where we should expect to see precipitation. Similarly, or dissimilarly, the places in which we see a large difference. For example, large difference here, 57 degrees air temperature, 33-degree dew point temperature. A big difference. Probably not going to see precipitation there. So what I'm going to do is go back and forth between these two maps, and hopefully you can, from that, be able to identify places where we should expect to see precipitation. Okay, where do I see? I see three different areas in which the numbers are very similar. First off, let's go to Kentucky. Look at this Kentucky area, 65 in Louisville, 64. So you can see how the dew point there and the air temperature right through here in Kentucky, this part of Missouri and Illinois, and this area here, you can kind of see the numbers are quite similar. So we should expect to see precipitation there. Uh, Further, we can continue down the Mississippi, see how we're 71, 72, very similar number there, 65 in both. So there in Arkansas. We also have Louisiana. So we should expect to see rain all throughout this particular area. So area 1 and area 2. I also see another potential for precipitation up here. Notice the numbers are kind of similar up here in the Dakotas and Wyoming. You can see the numbers there quite similar there in the 40s. Now, not so much on the other side. You see this huge difference. Well, that's, different side of a mountain, different air pressure characteristics, and so you completely different temperature characteristics. So let's go ahead and we'll put in the precipitation map. There's first off the visible satellite. So, yep, we can see potential for precipitation there in Kentucky and down through here into Louisiana. Also, that area I've already identified earlier. But then looking at the Doppler, boom, we can really see precipitation in those areas in which we predicted where we should see precipitation based on dew point temperature.